Hello viewers, let's learn three things. First, we will run maintenance from control panel. The second, we will remove unnecessary files from computer. And the third one, to refresh computer or to avoid hang situation. So now on screen, please. First, go to search and type control panel. And it will appear up. So click it. And now go to security and maintenance. Click on it. Then open or expand maintenance and click start maintenance. After clicking start maintenance, the process will start. You will shortly see, and your computer software hardware will be analyzed, and all the issue of hardware software would be automatically resolved or cured. You can also view reliability history. In case if you would like to check it, just click on it, and after sometimes it will appear. You can see red dots 3. So this is review of your computer reliability and problem history. In case if you click red spot, so it will appear. You can expand it and you can view technical assistance in case if you would like. Below is recovery, so we will make a separate video on it because it's very important and beneficial. So wait for that. Click back. Now click from your keyboard Windows R and type prefetch. Enter or OK and then continue. And you will shortly see that these are unnecessary files inside your C drive. So you can delete it, press Ctrl A and press delete. In case if some resist, so click skip and it will create a lot of free space and system performance would be improved. And now the last and the final, in case if your system needs to be refreshed or if it is in hang position, so you can simply press from your keyboard Control key plus Shift key plus Window key and B. So by pressing Control Shift Window B, your system will beep and it will also on off the screen for a short while. All the drivers and the software would be refreshed. Thanks for watching.